Hello students, in inter first year commerce subject, second chapter name is business activities. In present video, I am going to explain about the first topic from this chapter. Topic name is meaning and classification or types of industries. You can get the material in description box. Business activities are broadly classified into two categories, industry and commerce. Industry can be defined in narrow sense and in broad sense. In its narrowest sense, industry means manufacturing of final products from raw materials. Similarly, providing services to the customers. And in its broadest sense, industry means a group of firms that are engaged in similar nature of business activities. For example, bakeries, hotels, mobile food services, restaurants, bars come under food industry. Newspaper, television, radio, online blogs, websites come under media industry. Hospitals, blood banks, medical shops, ambulance services, diagnostic centers, physiotherapy centers, pharmaceutical companies, medical insurance companies, medical equipment manufacturing companies come under health industry. People who run and control these industries are known as industrialists. So with this, meaning of industry is completed. Now let us see the classification or types of industries. Industry is classified into three types: primary industry, secondary industry and service industry. In primary industry, goods are manufactured with the help of nature. Man also contributes little to it. Generally, the goods which are manufactured in primary industry are in raw material form and they are used in secondary industry to manufacture the finished goods. Primary industry is again classified into two types: genetic industry and extractive industry. Come to secondary industry. In secondary industry, nature does very little and man does maximum portion of the work. Generally, in secondary industry, a proper shape will be given to raw material. Thus, secondary industry creates farm utility to the product. A proper shape will be given to the product so that customer can use that product conveniently. Come to service industry. It is also known as tertiary industry. Tertiary means third in position. As service industry is the third industry, this word is used. Now come to genetic industry. Let us know in detail about this industry. The word genetic is derived from genetics, which means parentage or hereditary. These industries are engaged in breeding of plants, animals or birds for the purpose of selling them at a profit. Here breeding means reproducing and multiplying. Let us see the examples for genetic industries. First example is nurseries, where plants are multiplied and sold. Second one, animal husbandry, where cattle such as cows, buffaloes, sheep, goats are grown for their milk, meat, leather, wool. The next one, poultry farms, where birds such as hen, duck, turkey, geese are grown for their meat and eggs. The next one, pisciculture, means growing of fish in ponds, canals and rivers. The last one, agriculture or farming, means growing of crops. Now let us see about the second primary industry, that is extractive industry. Extractive industry. Extracting means taking out, collecting. In these industries, wealth is extracted from the nature, means from the surface of the earth, from the beneath the surface of the earth, from water, from air. Examples for these industries are mining industry, where minerals are extracted from mines. These minerals include gold, silver, iron ore, coal, bauxite, zinc, manganese, copper, chromite, lead, tin, etc. Then second one, quarrying, means extraction of sand and stones from the earth. The next one, afforestation, means extraction of timber and rubber from forest. Then fishing, collecting fish from ponds, rivers, sea. Then you know about hunting. Extractive industries are also known as exhaustive industries. Exhaustive means complete. Exhausting means using completely. For example, take coal mine. With every attempt means with every dig there is a depletion in natural resources and finally that coal mine becomes empty. Extractive industry is further divided into two categories. In first category, workers simply collect the goods already existing. For example, take coal mine. Coal is collected and there is no need of changing that coal into another form. Directly it is sold to the customers. Take fishing. Fish is collected and directly sold to the customers. Even hunting also comes under the first category. Then in second category, the goods which are manufactured in extractive industry are used by secondary industries as raw materials. Secondary industries means manufacturing industries and construction industries. For example, take iron ore. This is the product of extractive industry. Iron ore is not sold to the customer directly. It is used by steel industry to manufacture the goods. Steel industry comes under a manufacturing industry. So this is all about primary industry. Now come to secondary industry. Manufacturing industry. Generally industry refers to manufacturing industry because among all industries manufacturing industry is popular and common. So same industry definition is applicable to manufacturing industry. Thus manufacturing industry means conversion of raw material or semi manufactured goods into finished products with the help of machinery and manpower. For example, sugar cane is a raw material to manufacture sugar. So manufacturing industry converts sugar cane into sugar. Similarly, iron ore is converted into steel. Flour is converted into bread. Crude oil into petroleum products. Cotton into cloth. Timber into parts of furniture. Manufacturing industry makes profits by selling these finished products to the customers or to the wholesalers, to retailers, to distributors, to other manufacturers for further complex production. Other examples of manufacturing industries are chemical industry, paper industry, automobile industry, pharmaceutical industry, jute industry and electric industry. Based on method of production, manufacturing industry is divided into four types. First one, analytical industry. In this industry, one basic material is broken down into several products. Then these products are directly sold to the customers. For example, in oil refinery, crude oil is refined and several products are produced such as petrol, diesel, kerosene, gasoline and lubricating oil. Now come to second type of manufacturing industry, synthetic industry. In this industry, two or more than two materials are mixed or combined to manufacture a new product. For example, concrete, gypsum and coal are mixed up to manufacture cement. Similarly, tobacco, paper and filters are mixed up to manufacture cigarettes. Other examples for these industries are fertilizers industry, cosmetics, biscuits, medicines and paint industry. Third manufacturing industry is processing industry. In this industry, to manufacture the final product, raw material has to pass through with different stages of manufacturing. The final product of one stage becomes the raw material for next immediate stage. For example, take textile industry. To manufacture textile, the raw material is cotton. Cotton has to pass through with different stages. First stage or first process is known as spinning. In this stage, fiber is converted into yarn. Then second process is weaving, forming the fabric by interlacing the threads. Then third stage is dyeing, coloring the fabric by using dyes. Then fourth stage is bleaching, removing the natural color from the fabric. Then last stage is printing, applying the color in definite designs. Then final product comes. Other examples for processing industry are sugar industry and paper industry. Last type of manufacturing industry is assembling industry. In this industry, final product is manufactured by assembling different manufactured components mechanically or chemically. It looks like synthetic industry. Recollect synthetic industry example: to manufacture cement, concrete, gypsum and coal are mixed up. The difference between synthetic industry and assembling industry is, in case of synthetic industry, concrete, gypsum, coal, these three are not finished products. These three are raw materials. But in case of assembling industry, all these components are finished products which are manufactured by other manufacturing companies. For example, a wheel company manufactured wheels, and car industry is using these wheels to manufacture car. Similarly, to manufacture car, this industry uses the products which are manufactured by other companies like lights, speakers, horns, seats, glass and mirrors. Other examples for assembling industry are television sets, watches and computers. With this, manufacturing industry is completed. Now, second type of secondary industry is construction industry. Let us know about that. Construction industry. This industry engages in the designing, constructing and maintaining of infrastructure. This industry is further divided into three types: heavy construction industry, general construction industry and specialized construction industry. In heavy construction industry, heavy infrastructure is constructed where huge investment is required. For example, construction of dams, construction of bridges, flyovers, canals, roads, etc. Second one, general construction industry. They involve in construction of commercial buildings, residential buildings. Third one, specialized construction industry. They provide electric work, woodwork while constructing the buildings. Next one, in construction industry, they use the products of manufacturing industry. For example, bricks, cement, iron rods and steel. They use the products of extractive industry also, like sand, stones, timber. And there is a difference between other industries and the construction industry. Suppose you take one manufacturing industry. A seller sold watch to customer. After sale, the product and the ownership on this product both will get transferred from seller to the buyer. But in case of construction industry, when seller sells building to customer, only the ownership on building will get transferred. Building we cannot transfer to customer because building is one immovable property. So remember, construction industry products are immovable in nature. With this, primary industry and secondary industry both are completed. Now come to the third type of industry, that is service industry. Service industry, they don't manufacture products like other industries. They make profits by providing essential services, skills to the final customers or to other manufacturers. These industries are also known as aids to trade. because they help in trade. So in my coming videos, I'll explain about trade word and aids to trade word. Now let us see some examples of service industries. Transport industry, education, food, tourism, insurance, banking, packaging, telecommunication, healthcare, entertainment, news media, warehousing, etc. So this is all about the meaning and classification or types of industries. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.